to the soft skill classes. So today let us see what new we are going to know about. We are going to know about public speaking. So what is public speaking? We will know in this class. So what are the topics we are going to be aware in this class? That is, what is public speaking, obviously. Then how it is different from other speaking. Then when it had been started, like the history of public speaking. Then we are going to know what is a modern speaking. Then what are the benefits of public speaking, and last but not the least, how to become a good public speaker. So let's begin the chapter. First is, what is public speaking? Basically, public speaking is a presentation in front of the audience, live audience. Like, it is never the speech which is not recorded, which is not pre-scheduled. Like, everything is pre-scheduled but not recorded. You speak to your public live, and your audiences are live, and you have to face the mic, and you need to face your audience. Public speeches can cover a wide variety of different topics. So what does public speech does? A public speech can be given on a varieties of topic, whether it may be cooking or education or politics or scientific, anything. Public speaking can be on various type of topics. The goal of the speech may be education. So the topic, we know that we got to know any public speaker can talk on various topic, but the goal of the speech should be educational purpose or entertainment purpose, or influence the listener. For example, the basic public, like some of the very recent and a current public speaking are TED Talks. TED Talks is a very famous public speaking show organized by TED Talk. Then all the stand-up comedians, they are also public speakers. They entertain their public, right? Then there are a lot of influencers who talk now to the public openly. So often visual aids is in the form of an electronic slideshow. Like, with the help of an electronic slideshow, if you have ever seen TED Talks, you will see sometime the people use like the speaker use bit of his or her visual, like take the help of the visual to make the people understand, to make them understand by showing some slideshows as a supplement of the speech and make it more interesting to the listeners, right? So next is how it is different from online presentation. The first difference of public speaking from an online presentation is it is not recorded. Public speaking is not recorded, it is totally live. But online representation is always recorded. And the second difference is the online presentation may be viewed, or the listener may be viewed and or the listened to the viewer convenience. Like, the listener or the viewer can select their own time and choose when and where they want to watch that presentation, online presentation. But for public speaking, such kind of convenience is not there. There is a particular time limit is there, particular limit of a specific time or a place is given where the speaker will come and give the speech. Like, the venue is already fixed, the time is already fixed, so the listener or the viewer has to go there, be there present and listen to the speech. But for online presentation, the listener or the speaker can choose their own time and to listen or view it. So online presentation are often comprises of slideshows or pre-recorded videos of a speaker, whereas a live public speaking presentation do not have a recording like pre-recorders, but they can use the help of slideshow to entertain the viewers. Next, we will come to know from where this public speaking had started. Public speaking had started from a long ancient era. Like, if we talk about public speaking, we have to talk about Greece and Rome, right? The public speaking, it has like through researchers, it has been found that public speaking was started from Greece and Rome. At that time, there used to be there was no such technical technologies to convey to the people, right? For like a mass amount of people, but for a lot of political maybe for political information, to deliver some political information or to some deliver some news, in Greece and Rome this public speaking had started, right? But they did have a need to public speak, like for public speaking, and develop public speaking method that are still studied today. So it has been studied, like found that still today we are studying their way of public speaking, and why they developed the public speaking, the study is still going on. But the history says that the public speaking had started from Greece and Rome, right? And still date their public speaking methods, and why the need had occurred is still been studied. So after knowing the future, like after knowing the history, we shall know what is the current scenario of public speaking. If we see the current scenario, um, let's fast forward this time and let's look up to the current scenario. What was the what was known as the Latin style of the public speaking was popular in the US and Europe until the mid 20th century. Like until 20th century, this Latin style of public speaking was very famous in US and Europe. But after World War II, however, a less formal, like the formal way of public speaking was reduced, and more conversational style of public speaking had started. So the current scenario is like people are focused on more uh, like conversational style of public speaking, right? Like which is not that formal, but it is very interesting and catchy and very attractive. Also, electronical tool became available to enhance public speaking, such as slideshow. I said a screen is been placed behind you through which you can um, attract the viewers, but in the previous era there was no such type of screen or slideshow can be done. So yeah, recent eras electronic help has been a great for public speakers. Those electronic tools migrate to the computers and evolve into the computer software tools such as PowerPoint presentation, which I am using right now, that we know and use today a lot of time, right? Next, what we are going to know is what are the benefits of public speaking. So why public speaking is very beneficial? As we know, when we talk about public speaking, we all get scared. Like we do not want to face public speaking. We have a scare to speak publicly because we feel like if we say something wrong, or if the listeners laugh at us or something like that. But there are a lot of benefits of public speaking. If we see, like it improves our confidence, it builds our confidence to face any kind of situation. Then better research skill, like before you speak to public, you have to do a lot of homework. That is, you have to research about that topic more and more, so that you can give a perfect speech, through which the public get mesmerized and get to know something new, so that you can attract them and hold them together. Then is like stronger deductive skill. You get to gain lot of stronger deductive skill. Then ability to advocate for causes, like you can get power to speak. You get power to speak, advocate for causes. Like sometime you can you get the power to contradict or not contradict. Like if somebody asks you a question, then you have a power to answer them, reason with a reason. So these are the benefits of public speaking. Now we will see how to be a good public speaker. Yes, how to be a good public speaker. So there are 4 rules which you need to follow. First, write the speech. Yes, before speaking to the public, before coming in front of the mic and saying मेरे मेरे भाइयों और बहनों और hello or good evening, you have to write the speech. You cannot come abruptly and start speaking to the people. You have to do some research and you have to write what you are going to say exactly. Then overcoming our fear of speaking. Like we all have a fear to speak publicly, so we have to overcome our fear while speaking. So there are a few tips and tricks. Like when you are speaking publicly, we always get scared by the audience, so never focus on the audience. Just try to look straight towards the wall, or towards like the straight. Your eyesight should be straight. That will not attract, that will help you to gain more power, and your attention and your focus will be on straight. There won't be any any distraction from the audience, and you can, and at that, and in this way you can deliver a perfect speech. Then is like practice the speech. Yes, it is very important that before delivering the speech you should practice it in front of the mirror. Like in front of the mirror, whatever you have written, try to speak. This will help you to give a stage rehearsal. A stage rehearsal is very important because it helps you to gain more confidence to speak in the stage, and you get more thorough of what you need to say without any break. Last but not the least, giving the speech. While you are giving a speech, always remember that never get feared. Always be confident, and keep your paper whatever you have written, so that if you ever forget some line, you can take that shit and you can see what point you are missing out. So that was all about public speaking. Thank you and have a nice day. And please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.